Hello, dear learners. Here is our first lecture of English for grade 4. Okay, so the topic of first chapter is unit number 1's first topic is storybook. You can take your learner book and open the page number 6. On learner book it is from page number 6 to 13, and on activity book it would be from page 4 to 9. Okay, so our topic is what's make a story. Stories come in all shapes and sizes, long, short, funny and sad. In this unit you will discuss the stories you enjoy and decide for yourself what makes a good story. You will develop your skills at choosing books to read and write an exciting story introduction. So before starting this unit, you have to enhance and learn some vocabulary words for story writing and even for story reading. Okay, you can use these words while you are writing. So our first word is author, the writer of the story, play or poem. Whoever writes a story, it is called author. Next is a person, animal or fictional being in a story. Any person, any animal or any fictional being in a story is called character. And the ending of the story is called conclusion. And the passage, any passage or paragraph which is taken from a story, it is called extract. And a synonym for story, as we know that synonyms are the words, a word or a phrase that means the same or almost the same as another word or phrase. There are many synonyms for the story: tale, yarn, legend, myth, fable, and anecdote, account, narrative, and chronicles are all synonyms for the stories. Stories about event that not have happened not in reality, in real world. Such events which are not happened in reality, it is called fiction. These type of stories are called fiction. And the beginning of the story is called introduction, and the storyline or the sequence of events, it is called plot, that make up a story. Okay, and the solving of a problem, it is called resolution. And the place and places where the story takes place, it is called setting. A real or imaginary account of an event is or for others to see, hear, read or feel, it is called a story. So you have to keep in mind all these words. Author, what is author? It is a writer of a story. Character, any person, any animal or any fictional being. For example, you create a character. It does not exist in real world. For example, any monster, any alien, so it would be a character of the story. So start of the story would be introduction, and the end of the story would be conclusion. And any problem or any issue which faces the character during the story events, the solving that problem is called resolution. And if take any paragraph from the story, it would be called extract, and the synonym for the story is tale. And imaginary stories are called fiction. Okay, and the place where the events took place, it is called setting. You have to keep these words into your mind. So here is the sample of the story. You have to write in your English B notebook. Task would be the creative writing and topic would be story writing. Here is the sample. As you can see that the title is Hare and Tortoise. Setting in jungle, it means place is in jungle, and main characters are Hare and Tortoise, and the main story is beneath it. The introduction of the story is that once there was a hare and tortoise. Here is the introduction of the characters, and the hare was very proud of his fast speed, he asked the tortoise to have race. The tortoise was slow, but he agreed. The race started. The hare ran very fast. The tortoise was left behind. The hare thought he should take some rest and fell asleep. The tortoise did not take a rest. He reached the goal. The tortoise won the race. So this is the end of the story. Here is the sample. You can choose any other story from your book, page number 7. There are some pictures and you can write even your own story. Okay, take care. Allah Hafiz.